What do you seek nowadays as a security service provider? Saving time and costs? Fast-growing revenue? Customer loyalty? If that's what you want, how do you achieve them all? Introducing Hik-ProConnect, a convergent, cloud-based security service platform that helps manage on-premises devices and expand your business. You can easily provide service for customers' multiple sites from a single and intuitive interface or mobile app from anywhere at any time. Setting up a security system has never been easier with Hik-ProConnect. You can initialize and configure a batch of devices in just one shot and complete a comprehensive setup job in far fewer steps. During maintenance stage, Hik-ProConnect proactively helps you to identify any system failure of customer sites. With customers' authorization, service providers can diagnose and resolve the problem remotely on the platform. It's easier, more efficient, and helps a lot to reduce truck rolls. Troubled by managing multiple types of systems? Hik-ProConnect enables various Hikvision devices, video camera, intrusion alarm, access control, intercom, even home automation devices to fully converge and work just as one system and manage. Imagine the new business possibilities it creates. For example, when customers leave or arrive on properties, engaging visitors or employees, you name it. When the off-home mode is on, devices will work as one system, adding to the overall security of the user's home. When intrusion occurs, users will get real-time notifications from the app and take further action. With Hik-ProConnect, you're not introducing to customers what your solution offers, but what your solution can address their needs. Back to your team management. You can also rely on Hik-ProConnect to improve management efficiency within your organization. Accounts for administrator and customer site manager, for example, can be set up to distribute assignments for different sites and levels of authorities among your technicians. Hik-ProConnect comes in handy, as it is cloud-hosted. When more sites go up and running, customers can minimize upfront fee with the subscription payment mode and easily expand the system. Cloud-based software keeps the system always up to date with the latest features and system enhancements. Concerned about the system security of Hik-ProConnect? It adopts industry-leading standards and protocols for maximum security and reliability. From data transmission, data encryption, to cloud infrastructure standard and security, you and your clients can rely on our trusted platform. It's powered by EasyViz Cloud Platform that is certified with CSA Star and SOC. With remote operation and maintenance on-demand applications, system scalability, and more services in the future. Hik-ProConnect will grow with you and help you to scale and expand. Enjoy more efficiency and peace of mind in your everyday operations with Hik-ProConnect. Energize your business with added efficiency and peace of mind.